Welcome to Image Deco, your go-to destination for the latest in home design and interior inspiration. Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour inside an elegant single-story modern house that beautifully marries form and function. This architectural gem boasts an open layout seamlessly integrated with a stunning U-shaped nature-focused courtyard. It's the kind of space that transforms everyday living into a serene, luxurious experience. Whether you're dreaming of building your own modern sanctuary or simply looking for fresh design ideas, you'll find plenty of inspiration here. The blend of contemporary styling and natural elements creates a harmonious balance that's both visually appealing and incredibly livable. So sit back and enjoy this full walkthrough. Don't forget to like, comment with your favorite features, and subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking home tours and design tips. Let's step into this dreamy single-story retreat and explore what makes it so special. From the moment you approach this modern house, its architectural elegance is immediately evident. The single-story structure showcases a harmonious blend of materials: smooth concrete, natural wood accents, and expansive glass walls that give the home a sleek yet grounded presence. Clean horizontal lines extend across the facade, enhancing the home's low-profile silhouette and contemporary appeal. The exterior is beautifully framed by a minimalist landscape of ornamental grasses, native shrubs, and paved walkways that complement the home's refined design. This curated simplicity invites you in, setting the tone for the tranquility that lies beyond the threshold. The understated beauty of the exterior not only adds curb appeal, but also introduces the home's strong connection to nature and modern living. Every element, from the overhanging flat roof to the subtle lighting features, contributes to a warm, welcoming entry that promises a home filled with peaceful luxury and thoughtful design. As you step inside, the interior immediately opens up with a calming sense of space and light. The entryway leads into a wide, unobstructed hallway that flows effortlessly into the main living areas. The flooring is a smooth, pale-toned stone that reflects natural light, while the walls are kept in crisp white to create a clean and airy backdrop. Accents like a floating console table, minimalist wall art, and recessed lighting set a sophisticated tone without overwhelming the space. Large floor-to-ceiling glass panels on one side offer the first glimpse of the central courtyard, reinforcing the home's open layout and deep integration with nature. The open-plan design is intentional. It not only enhances visibility and connectivity between spaces, but also promotes a sense of calm and spaciousness. This thoughtful arrangement allows every step further into the home to feel seamless, with the outdoors always just a glance away. The heart of this home is the living room, and it's nothing short of spectacular. Designed for both relaxation and socializing, this space features an open-plan configuration that invites natural light and scenic views from every angle. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors fully retract, dissolving the boundary between indoor and outdoor living. The furnishings are minimal yet luxurious: soft beige sofas, sculptural coffee tables, and a textured area rug that adds depth to the space. A statement bookshelf wall and a low-profile media console offer function without crowding the room. What really makes this area stand out is the unobstructed view into the courtyard, where nature becomes an ever-present part of the living experience. Even when the doors are closed, the transparency of glass allows sunlight and serenity to pour in. It's a perfect example of how modern design can offer warmth, simplicity, and a constant connection to the natural world. Just beyond the living room, the kitchen continues the theme of effortless modernity with a touch of natural charm. It features a large central island with a smooth quartz countertop and warm wood cabinetry that anchors the space. Sleek, handle-less drawers and integrated appliances keep the look clean and cohesive. The kitchen opens directly onto the central courtyard through fully retractable glass walls, making al fresco dining and entertaining a breeze. Indoor herb planters sit neatly along the windowsill, drawing in greenery from the outdoors while adding a touch of freshness to the space. The color palette remains soft and neutral, allowing the texture of natural wood and stone to shine through. It's not just a kitchen, it's a lifestyle space that encourages interaction, creativity, and connection. With views of the garden just steps away, Every meal prep feels like a tranquil escape in itself. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area continues the home's seamless design flow. This space features a long natural wood dining table surrounded by understated modern chairs, creating a perfect setting for both casual meals and elegant dinners. Above the table hangs a minimalist chandelier that provides soft, ambient lighting and a sculptural focal point. Full-height glass walls frame the U-shaped courtyard, making nature the ever-changing backdrop for every meal. The atmosphere is serene and inviting, elevated by the continuity of materials and colors used throughout the home. Subtle design details, like built-in storage niches, recessed ceiling lights, and elegant tableware, bring sophistication without clutter. Even as guests gather around the table, the space never feels crowded, thanks to the open plan and visual access to the surrounding garden. It's a place where design meets function, and where every meal becomes a serene, shared experience connected to the rhythms of the natural world. The master bedroom offers a private retreat that's both luxurious and deeply connected to the outdoors. Positioned along one wing of the U-shaped layout, this space benefits from direct views and access to a tranquil corner of the central courtyard. The design features a minimalist platform bed with soft linens in neutral tones, floating nightstands, and built-in cabinetry that keeps clutter out of sight. Natural textures like light oak wood, cotton drapes, and wool rugs enhance the room's comforting ambience. A sliding glass door allows the bedroom to fully open up to its private garden nook, where bamboo plants sway gently and natural stone pavers invite barefoot morning walks. Soft light filters in through the trees and into the room, creating a dreamy, peaceful atmosphere that's perfect for rest and rejuvenation. This is not just a place to sleep, it's a calming sanctuary where architecture and nature work in perfect harmony. the center of this home lies its soul, a lush private courtyard that ties every space together. Designed in a U-shape, the house wraps around this outdoor oasis, allowing each room to have a unique perspective and access to nature. The courtyard is more than just a garden. It's a fully realized living space featuring wooden decking, a calming water feature, and cozy seating nooks. Tropical plants and ferns bring color and texture, while stone pathways encourage leisurely strolls. This area is visible from the living room, dining space, kitchen, and even the bedrooms, making it a focal point of everyday life. Whether you're meditating in the morning light, sipping tea in the afternoon, or enjoying an evening breeze, this courtyard offers peace and connection. It also enhances ventilation and natural lighting throughout the house, proving that thoughtful outdoor integration can transform a home into a wellness sanctuary. One of the most impressive aspects of this home is how sustainability has been woven into its design without compromising elegance. From energy-efficient windows and passive cooling techniques to solar panels integrated into the flat roof, every detail supports an eco-conscious lifestyle. Rainwater harvesting systems are hidden within the landscaping, and reclaimed materials are used throughout the construction, from salvaged wood beams to recycled stone accents. Smart home technology further enhances energy savings, with lighting, temperature, and security all controlled via an app. The home's layout also maximizes natural airflow and daylight, reducing reliance on artificial climate control. Even the furnishings reflect a mindful approach, with ethically sourced wood and organic textiles. What you get is a modern home that's not only visually stunning, but also environmentally responsible. It's a living example of how style and sustainability can and should go hand in hand in today's architectural design. As we wrap up our tour of this elegant single-story modern house, it's clear that thoughtful design can truly elevate everyday living. From the seamless open layout to the breathtaking U-shaped courtyard that brings nature into every room, this home offers a lifestyle that balances beauty, simplicity, and sustainability. Each detail, from material choices to furniture placement, speaks to a modern aesthetic that doesn't sacrifice comfort or functionality. It's a sanctuary where every corner feels intentional and every view connects you to the outdoors. If this tour inspired you as much as it inspired us, make sure to hit that like button, leave us a comment with your favorite feature, and subscribe to Image Deco for more design inspiration. We got plenty of beautiful homes, clever space-saving tips, and interior styling guides coming your way. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we can't wait to show you what's next.